Good evening, all. Welcome to ACE Engineering Academy online platform ACE Online. Today, we are going to discuss about preparation strategy for GENCO, TRANSCO, and DISCOM'S for upcoming notifications. Guys, this is the election time. That's why we are expecting that notifications from the government regarding the electricity boards, GENCO, TRANSCO, and DISCOM'S. We are expecting the notifications shortly. That's why I would like to share some of the important points under preparation of GENCO, TRANSCO, and DISCOM'S. Let me start one by one, right? Before going to that, first, how you have to prepare. మీరు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి జెన్కోకి ట్రాన్స్కోకి? Whenever notification will come, definitely if notification is there, you may have not having that much of time. Anta time manakundu prepare avutanniki. That's why I would like to provide that after completion of this presentation, in the next week, I am going to give that 45 days how you are going to complete that entire syllabus which is existing in GENCO, TRANSCO, and various PSUs, public sector undertakings, we are going to discuss. First, in this session, I am going to give that a brief introduction about preparation of GENCO, TRANSCO, how to crack the good rank in GENCO, TRANSCO, or DISCOM'S examinations, right? For all that. And here I would like to discuss, I would like to interact with you with the syllabus and what are the important subjects you need to prepare 100%, because based on the weightage as per the previous examinations, I will give that what are the subjects you should completely adopted, you should completely absorb the concepts which are existing in that subjects. All the things we are going to discuss. అన్ని విషయాలు మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ టేక్ దట్ వన్ బై వన్. ఫస్ట్, I think you know that it is privileged to introduce myself, K. Hanumantarao, faculty in electrical department. I am having nearly 20 years teaching experience. Out of that, 15 years in GATE, ESC, and various public sector units training in especially network theory subject, my favorite subject. Okay. After that, the preparation strategy that needs to be adopted. Here, these three things you should adopt here. This is very important. You should be committed. Those who are committed, then only you will get the job. Already they got the job and they are enjoying with the whatever the benefits they are getting from the electricity board, from the government sector units or government sectors from two Telugu states, which are AP as well as Telangana, right? And I can say that in AP, maybe shortly you may get the notification, because a long gap was there. That's why I'm expecting that, we are expecting that notification from AP state, right? As well as Telangana also here. Okay. The 3 points, what are the points you need to be adopted? The first one is the topics of the importance and weightage of the each topic. This is very important here. Whatever the syllabus given in the notification, you need not read each and everything. Selective preparation is very, very important. Selective preparation. Hard work, apart from the hard work, you should do the smart work is also very important nowadays. Those who are doing parallelly these two, hard work as well as a smart work, definitely they will get the job. They will get the electricity board examination job, no doubt in that. And that's why topics of importance and weightage of each and every topic. That's why you should concentrate what are the topics or what are the subjects are important, and you need to practice more examples by collecting the questions from the previous GATE as well as the ESC examinations. GATE only 1 mark questions, and ESC thoroughly some of the subjects you should compulsory concentrate 100% on that, because you will get compulsory questions. That is the first point, guys. And the second one is the time management. This is very important. Once the notification will come, You may not have that much of time. That's why the time management you should adopt, or you need to be provide, or you need to be allocate some time for this subject, some time for that subject. Like that, you have to be scheduled for each and every subject. That is, the time management is very, very important here. Suppose, for example, if you take that 1 mark or 2 marks or 3 marks subjects are there, you need not spend more time, even though as per the syllabus you may have, or you should concentrate more time on that particular topic to understand each and every topic. Those type of subjects or those type of topics, you need not allot more time for that, right? That's why time management is very, very important. Or effective study. Effective study means per day ఒక్క రోజులో ఎన్ని గంటలు మనం చదువుతాం, దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్. ఎఫెక్టివ్ స్టడీ మీన్స్ you are reading or you are practicing, you are learning the concept or subject for 6 hours or 8 hours. But effective study means 8 hours లో 6 hours లో how much concept you absorb from that particular topic, అండ్ దాని మీద ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ నువ్వు చేయగలుగుతున్నావు. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ని హౌ యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్, హౌ యు ఆర్ టెస్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ ఫస్ట్ GENCO, TRANSCO and various public sector units. Nothing but public sector undertakings questions are also you should practice first. After that, even though if you are not having that much of confidence on that particular topic, take that ESC questions. ESC questions are 60% theoretical questions, only 30 to 40% questions are numerical types. That's why whatever the concept you want to learn more, if you want to practice more for that particular topics, you should take from ESC, Engineering Service Examination questions. Previously it was IES, Indian Engineering Service Examination questions. From past 20 years questions you should practice here. Remember, guys. And these are the 3 things you should be adopted to crack good rank in GENCO, TRANSCO or DISCOM'S. This is very important here, right? And apart from this, nowadays those who want to be serious about these jobs, you should be away from some social medias, as well as some of the here WhatsApp and Facebooks. These are the applications you should not use frequently, you should not use continuously. If you are concentrate on that, definitely it is the time killing process. It is the time killing process. Remember, guys, it is the time killing process. You should take that, or you need to access, or you have to use these apps, but you should be limited. You have to be limit the time per day only of an hour or 1 hour. If you restrict like that, then definitely you will concentrate more on the particular concepts or our subjects. This is very, very important here, right? You should away from these two, right? Twitter also nowadays. And while coming to this is the general, I am giving the syllabus, whatever the general syllabus which the notifications are having. I have taken that from TRANSCO, GENCO, on DISCOM'S, all the notifications. What are the common factors, or what are the common syllabus which is existing? I have made, or I have prepared like that. The first one is, see this one, network graph, KCL, KVL. This is the only for electrical circuits here. This is only for the electrical circuits, right? And next I will provide that for subject-wise syllabus also. This is only for network syllabus, right? TRANSCO, GENCO and DISCOM'S. Let me take that, the first one, guys. Once you complete that, whatever the coaching or training for that one, or suppose some of the students, they want to join or they want to take the training from various institutes like ACE Engineering Academy or other than ACE Engineering Academy, whatever it is here. If you want to take in ACE Engineering Academy, definitely we will provide the best according to the history of our ACE Engineering Academy, we are providing that physical classes as well as live, nothing but online classes, as well as we are providing the recorded classes also. And why I am raising this point means, once you take or once you enrolled with any of these three, first one is what? Physical class. Second one is what? Online class. Third one is what? Recorded class. If you enroll with these three, then you should follow the three pieces. This is very important. This is very important. Now, what are the three pieces? First one is, you should come regularly to the classes. Nothing but what? Presence is important. You just enroll and you are not accessing or you are not watching any video, it will not use. It will not use. It is useless. And if you enroll offline class, if you are not coming to the class, it is not use. It is useless. And presence is important first. While coming to that, the second thing is, first C is concept. Just your presence is not only important, you should concentrate on the concept. Which concept? Respect faculty is going to be explaining. That is important. You have to concentrate on the concept. Next one is what? You should perform here. Second P is the performance. The performance is very, very important. Just you are concentrating, whatever the faculty is giving the lecture, you are concentrating, you are listening, this will not. You should perform, you have to write, you need to practice, right? Once you are performing that, then definitely you will get a confidence. Okay, I don't know this concept, now I am getting this concept. This is the second P and C. And the third P, very, very important, perfection. When you will get the perfection, definitely once you get the confidence here, performance for each and every topic, then only you will get the perfection. With that, you will get some confidence. Then finally, you will get the command on that particular concept or subject. That's why, guys, you should concentrate on these three while you are taking the coaching or training. In any mode of these three, whether it is physical class training or coaching, second one is what? Whether it is live or recorded classes. These three modes we are providing. If you enroll any type of the platform, then definitely you should concentrate this one. Just you are opening and on that video and you are doing something means it will not work out. I think you know that, all of you, right? That's why these three are very, very important here. This is very, very important. Remember that. This is very, very important. Now, I would like to take that in any state electricity board examinations, either AP or Telangana. AP lo gaani, Telangana lo gaani, is state electricity board exam lo, prati exam lo syllabus for each and every type of examination, whether it may be the GENCO or TRANSCO or DISCOM'S. Nowadays, in AP, GENCO was mingled with that sum. That's why you may expect the TRANSCO notification from the AP. That's why let it be like that here. Whatever it is, any type of examination, if you see the syllabus, that syllabus can be categorized into two. Number one is technical subjects, non-technical subjects. And one more, you have to be identify that in AP and Telangana. In Telangana, there is a general studies. In AP, there is no general studies. Right? That is the simple, small variance is there, small difference is there. You can say like that. Here, a small difference is there. That's why first, I would like to give that what are the technical subjects which you need to be concentrate more under the syllabus of GENCO, TRANSCO and DISCOM'S. Let me consider that here the technical subjects. First, your favorite subject, which is electrical circuits, which is very easy subject. Once you get the confidence in this subject, definitely this is the prerequisite for all the rest of the subjects here. That's why everyone, you should start with this subject. This is very important. Once you start with this, parallelly you can start one more subject which is the core subject. Out of all these, I can also again categorize core subjects and common subjects. Common means which are related with that. Electronic students also, they may have some posts. That's why common subjects are there, core subjects are there. That's why you should start parallelly two subjects. This is very important because already whether you are passed out student or you are studying student or whatever it is here, you should start two subjects simultaneously. Now the first one is electrical circuit, second one is electrical machines, and third one is the power system, and fourth one is signals and systems, and fifth one is electrical measurements, seventh one is here this analog and digital electronics, power electronics, and electromagnetic fields. This power electronics, in this one, what are the common subjects? Core subjects, you can take the core subjects, machine, power systems, and here power electronics, measurements, and electromagnetic fields. And guys, here you can identify one thing. See this, you can identify one thing here. What is it is here? For AP, GENCO, TRANSCO, under TRANSCO, some of the topics are not there. Previously it was. Based on that syllabus, here signals and systems and here electromagnetic fields. These subjects sometimes you may not get it based on that syllabus. Based on the syllabus. That's why here you need to concentrate more on this one. This is the first one and second one and third one. And I can say that this is the fourth one, including this one also. This is the fifth one. But these four subjects are very, very important. Very, very important, this one also. Right? More weightage you are getting on these four electrical subjects. Now, while coming to that technical, this one, while coming to that non-technical mathematics and general ability is there. I think you know that general ability and general studies also there for TS, GENCO, TRANSCO examination. General ability and general studies. In general ability here, reasoning, aptitude as well as English, right? These three are there, and also general science is there under Telangana notifications. You may have that including, that also you have to include with this one. Guys, out of these technical as well as non-technical subjects, now today I am going to give that the entire syllabus which are under very, very important subjects here. Nearly 4 subjects I would like to consider today. Important subjects. Ee 4 subjects lo evaraithe 100% perfect ga untaro, then definitely job is with you. No doubt in that. Right? Believe me. No doubt in that. Now, let me take that here, the weightage of all subjects in the previous years for AP as well as Telangana. Now, I would like to give some of the statistics for previous examinations in AP as well as Telangana. Why these statistics are required? Enduku ee statistics nenu istunnanante, definitely based on the statistics only, I can give that or I can conclude that guys, you have to concentrate on these 4 or 5 subjects completely. Then definitely you will be benefited in the final examination. That's why those are the references I can say that. That's why I would like to present that previous year's subjects and weightage for AP as well as Telangana, right? Now let me consider that in AP state. These are the 13 subjects are there. Some of the subjects in 2019 year for TRANSCO you may not have. In AP, signals and systems and electromagnetic fields are not there. These are subjects, and mathematics also not there, and also general ability is not there. Recently it was introduced in TRANSCO, general ability for 30 marks. I think totally for 100 marks in AP state, the division for technical and non-technical subjects, which are 70 and 30 marks. 70 and 30. Technical subjects 70 marks weightage and non-technical subjects are 30 marks. right? This is the weightage. And guys, if you see what are the statistics according to this, in this one EPDCL totally 160 marks are there. On that time it was held with that 160 marks. Okay, this is the excluding, you forget about that, and you concentrate the rest of, even though if you take that, you can analyze that, or you can conclude that based on this whatever the weightage, how many marks are given, how many questions are provided, based on that I can say that the very important subjects under this GENCO and TRANSCO as well as PSUs, public sector undertakings, here I can say that the first one is the power system, second one is the electrical machines, and the third one is, I can say that here, electrical circuits, and the fourth one is the power electronics as well as the control systems. These are the 5 subjects you should be completely observe the concepts as well as whatever the previous examination questions. You should thoroughly with these 5 subjects, then definitely you will get some confidence. With that confidence, definitely you will get a command on that subject. Whatever the other subjects also you can do within the given stipulated time, because for 1 minute if you want to answer that, practice is very important here. I think as you know that practice makes. What is the practice makes? Practice makes man perfect. It is not man perfect here. You are practicing the education. That's why practice makes education perfect. Is it right? Practice makes education perfect. That's why these are the 5 subjects. First, you should thoroughly concentrate. And you should complete these 5 subjects first. Then you will get some confidence. Then you will get command. Then you can do it, whatever the examination. We are going to provide that mock tests, subject-wise tests. All if you perform, you will get a confidence. Once the notification will come, definitely you are ready to shoot any type of question in the examination corresponding to that subject, right? Now, if you see that in the power system major role, the electrical machines also, as well as electrical circuits and control systems and power electrons. These are the major subjects here, which you should be completed thoroughly. 100% you should have get the concept in each and every nook and corner. That is very important. If you are able to get the concept for each and every topic under this one, definitely you will get job. No doubt in that. Believe me. Right? Now, out of all these are the statistics. I can say that under AP state in the previous examinations based on that. Getting that? Have you seen that? Right. See that utilization of electrical, 1 or 2 questions, you can easily do that. And while coming to that here, Telangana state. Under Telangana state in the previous examinations, if you see the statistics of that, weightage of all the subjects in the previous years, right? This is the statistic. These are the statistics. You can see that in this one also. Same here, in this one also. If you see that, the examiner is always, he wants to take the questions, the very important concepts, major subjects. These are the major subjects, and these are the fundamental subjects, and these are the applications you can take it. Power electronics, you know that the combination of power and electronics. I think you know that power electronics is the subject which we can take it, the combination of hybrid of what? Power, electrical as well as electronics. Right, power electronics, which we can use all the power electronic devices as what? As a switches, we can take it that, because you know that electronic circuits which can be operated into each and every electronic item, we can take the characteristics into 3 regions. Number 1 is what? Active region. Number 2 is what? Cutoff region, saturation region. And if you see that all electronics which are discussing under active region only. But while coming to that power electronics, we are discussing either saturation or cutoff region. Nothing but what? We are using those are just like a switches. Right? Power electronic devices are very important. Right? They are compact devices which we are utilizing now. Right? Now, if you see that these are the first basic subjects, and after the basic subjects, main subjects. And with this, we are doing the applications in this one. More applications we are using nowadays, the power electronics, right? That's why these are the statistics under previous year TS, Telangana state, whatever the examinations in GENCO, TRANSCO, and DISCOM'S, NPDCL, SPDCL, right? If you see that, definitely I can say that these are the main subjects. Guys, under these are the main subjects. What is the percentage of this one? I can see this. Here, see this. See the 5 subjects, how we can take it. These are the 5 subjects which we need to be adopt, or we need to be absorb whatever the concept is existing in that one. Whatever the concept is existing, you have to be absorb each and everything. Then only you are ready to answer each and every question within the stipulated time. Within the stipulated time. Now let me take that one by one for each and every these 5 subjects. Today I am going to discuss about these 5 subjects. What is the weightage of each and every topic? Each and every topic. Let me take that one by one. Okay. These are the major subjects here to be completed to get the AE job. It's a compulsory for you, right? What are the subjects? Electrical circuits, control system. These are the common subjects. While coming to the core subjects, 3 subjects are there. Power electronics, electrical machines, and power systems, right? Now let me consider that one by one, right? See this one. Now, this is the basic subject and weightage. First subject, what is the subject? You have to take it that electrical circuits. Good. This is the basic subject. Now here I would like to take that what are the prerequisites are required to learn or to practice for the previous examinations and to know the concept, right, completely for these subjects, right? And in these electrical circuits, I can divide the topics into 4. Major topics are 4 here. Some other topics are there, miscellaneous topics are there. But you have to be concentrate on these 4 topics. Now DC analysis, compulsory 2 or 3 questions you will get under DC analysis. Like that in AC analysis also 2 or 3 questions, because totally 10 questions or 12 questions, minimum 8 questions you will get it. Out of 8 questions, 3 questions here, 3 questions here, rest of the 2 questions here. That's why here in DC analysis and AC analysis, DC analysis 40% and AC analysis 40% and network theorems. This is a compulsory question here. 100% you will get the question in this one, right? In this one also 3 questions you will get it. That's why these are all important questions. These are all star marks. If I am giving this one's word, compulsory questions you will get it. 40, 10% and here 10%. You may get a doubt, sir, magnetic circuits, AC circuit analysis included that one here, right? Magnetic analysis is including with that one. Or sometimes you can take that questions, you are electrical students, some of the questions magnetic circuits are related with the transformer, right? Both are combinedly. Sometimes he may give that related with the transformer, sometimes in AC circuit analysis related with the dot convention questions you may get it that. That's why in 4 subtopics are there, important topics under electrical subject, under electrical circuit subject, DC analysis, AC analysis, network theorems and 2-port network parameters and graph theory also. Right? And the basics in physics intermediate you need to get it, and some mathematics. Mathematics, why? Suppose if you take that in DC analysis, transients also existing here. Don't forget about the transients here. I didn't mention the transients means DC analysis means the transients also existing. Because under mathematical analysis, if you want to take that, mathematics means what? Differential equation, first order differential equation if you want to deal that, or second order differential equation if you want to deal that. Definitely mathematics basics are required. Under mathematics equations, second order circuits if you want to solve, definitely you should have a strong basics under Laplace transform analysis. Under Laplace transform analysis. A strong basics tone you can get the correct answer for the transients within the stipulated time, right? These are required. And now I would like to give some of the reference textbooks also. Reference books also I want to give that. Let me see that what are the reference textbooks under this. These are the reference textbooks. 3 for each and every subject I will provide 3 books, but out of the 3 books, because you need not buy all the 3 books, take at least 1 book. Take at least 1 book. Rest of the books you need not go for that. If any doubt you are having, any particular doubt you are having, we are ready to solve, or we are ready to give the solution for that one. We are ready to explain each and everything. Right? Forget about that, all the 3. You remember only one reference book here, which I am going to suggest you. That is this one here. Very, very important book. Fundamentals of Electrical Circuit by, right, Alexander and Sadek. This one also. And some of that, those who are learners, starting learners, because if you are already completed your graduation, not a problem with that. If you may forget some of the basic concepts, under that instant you should go for that Circuits and Networks by Sudhakar and Sam Mohan. The language is very easy language. You can easily understand for each and every topic. Why I am suggesting this means this is very important book here. Those who want to learn, I can give that. How? Because I am the faculty related with that electrical circuits. That's why I can say that in this, if you see for any topic, he will provide first what is the history of that one. Second one, he will provide that what is the concept of that one. Third one, he will provide that examples on that, worked out examples. Fourth one, he will provide that exercise problems. And one more advantage we can identify in this book, that is applications of that particular concept. That's why these 5 you will get it here. You can completely fold your fingers. You can grab the concept in each and every corner if you see this book. That is the advantage of in this one. I can say that's why I'm suggesting this book is very good book for electrical circuits to complete each and every topic. Okay, right? If you want to take this one, not a problem for that one. Right? Now let me consider that next one here, our major subject, core subjects. I would like to consider that. What is that here? Right? Electrical machines. This is the electrical machines. As you know that 4 parts you can take it here. Based on that, because as you know that electrical machines are working based on that Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. That Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction will be considered in 2 ways based on that conductor and magnetic field. According to that, we can take it that statically induced EMF and dynamically induced EMF, AC machines and DC machines. According to that, I can take it into 4 types of the machines. Number 1 is DC machines, which is carrying 25% weightage under these competitive examinations in the electricity board, which are GENCO, TRANSCO or DISCOM'S, NPDCL, SPDCL, right? Now, while coming to that here, transformer is also 25% here. It is a very important concept. And the synchronous machines, right? Under AC machines, synchronous machines. You can say that alternators, and here induction machines 25, all are having the equal priority or equal weightage for this one. Under electrical machines, we have that all the 4 topics which we are having that. And the main advantage of the ACE Engineering Academy, if you take that here, the enrollment for ACE Engineering Academy in any type of the mode, either here online mode or offline mode, definitely you will get that complete concept related with that DC machines, transformers, synchronous machines, induction machines. For each and every topic, we have a separate faculty. They will concentrate more on that, right? That's why you will get 100% concept related with that one. Now, while coming to that, what are the prerequisites we should consider for these machines? Again, we should go for the basics of DC and AC machines and basics of the magnetic circuits. Not only that, 3-phase circuits also very much required here. Anyway, in 3-phase circuits, we are going to be discussed in electrical circuits topic also. Electrical circuit subject also we are going to discuss. Those basics are required, especially in the 3-phase transformers. There, you should have the basics related with the 3-phase circuits, okay? Because this subject is having more weightage, right? according to the previous year questions, previous year weightage, previous year's examinations. If you see that the last 5 or 6 or 7 examinations, if you see that the more weightage which are having these electrical machines, you should be 100% confidence in this all 4 types of the machines, right? Now let me take that what are the reference books we have to be considered for this electrical machine subject. Okay, got it? Now let me consider this here. These are the reference books which we can take it here. Electrical machines, machinery by P.S. Bimra, and here in this one also we can take it one book also. We can consider that one. And especially those who want to take that here easy language and some simple questions, we can go for this one. And one more thing I can say that here, J.B. Gupta also you have more questions, no doubt in that. This is also very important. But if you want to get that detailed explanation for each and every concept, definitely you should go for this one. This is very, very important book here. As per the concept wise, you should solve all the questions which are given in this book. This is very, very important. If you want to, you are the beginner. If you want to start with the beginner means you should go for that electrical technology by here what? Unit, volume 2, BL theories and AK theory. You know that from starting, from scratch onwards, you are going to get it with the easy terminology. The terminology is very easy under that electrical technology with volume 2, right? But if you take these questions, if you understand, he will give that each and every concept and whatever the design part also he will provide the more clarity, right? And you can easily get that concept from this one, right? But for DISCOM'S and GENCO and TRANSCO, if you are perfect with this, not a problem with that. And one more thing here, I can give that. Nowadays, for those who want to write under TS GENCO and TRANSCO, he was given that from last 3 years, the syllabus was related with the GATE examination. That's why you should be committed with the GATE examination. Your preparation is nearly equal to the GATE examination, right? That's why I am suggesting P.S. Bimra is the good book for you for electrical machines. Are you getting? Right. These are the 3 books. 3 are okay, no doubt in that, for practice wise. But beginners, you can go for that. Those who are having already concepts, you should be perfect with this book, all the questions which are given in this one. Okay. Now, let me consider that the next one. Power system here. This is also the major subject. This is also the major subject which you can get it. Now, power system, the weightage is, power system also we can take it into the 4 year. Power system analysis, 25%. I think you know that in the power system analysis per unit, fault analysis, everything you are getting that in this power system analysis. And protection and LFC, load frequency control, here 35% you will get it. More you will have this one nowadays, right? All the questions is concentrating on this one. And generation is very less here. Less questions you will get it. And you know that the power system means here, power system usually you can take it in power system also 4. First one is what? Generation side. Next one is what? Transmission side. Next one is what? Distribution side. Next one is what? Utilization side. Right? These are the 4 types which we can take it. Anyway, finally I will give that one example, how the generation and how the utilization, that flow also I am going to give that. Now let me consider that in this one, in the power system analysis is 25%, and production and LFC is 35%, and generation is very less. You can read. By reading that, definitely will get it. You are able to answer the questions, whatever the simple questions are given in this one. And transmission and distribution, this is also very T&D. In this one also you should be perfect. For this one, in networks, you should have a strong basics under 2-port network parameters here. Because the examples, the applications of 2-port network parameters are the transmission parameters, ABCD parameters, I think you know that. That's why here the basics are the prerequisites required for this power system is AC circuits and 3-phase circuits, because in the fault analysis, Three-phase circuits are required once you take that AC circuits as well as three-phase circuits. AC circuits as well as three-phase circuits. More weightage here. More weightage, and it will take more time also. That's why you should take that each and everything under power systems. And what about that reference book? What textbook you have to be referred for this particular subject? Right? For power systems, which textbook you need to be referred, right? Let me consider that one by one. Here for T&D, in this one only I am suggesting here that because you will not get all the concepts in one book. For T&D and LFC here, electrical power systems, this one by C.L. Vadva, you know that. And for protection, you have to go for that power system protection and switchgear. This is very good book, you can get it. And for first one, PSC, Power System Analysis and Generation, right? Per unit system and fault analysis, stability, all you are getting that. On generation, you are getting this book, Nagaratan, D.P. Nagaratan, Kotari, J. Nagaratan, D.P. Kotari. This is I.J. Nagaratan, D.P. Kotari. This book is very, very good book, right? For the power system, generation power system analysis as well as generation. For this, I have provided that for topic wise I have given that. Topic wise you can take it this. Remember that. That's why I have given that selective preparation is very, very important. Selective preparation. Starting of the slide, I have given that the following 3 points or 3 things should be adopted by any student. Those who are preparing for GENCO and TRANSCO as well as the PSUs, public sector undertakings, for that one you should adopt the 3 things. Selective preparation. That's why each and everything you need not go for that. Each and everything you need not read. Selective preparation. Nowadays here, online, everything is available here. According to that, you can download this book and you can take it. Whatever the mode of operation you are doing, whatever the mode you are practicing, that is the secondary. Whether you are getting or not, that is very important here. Some of the students, I got the feedback from the previous, those who got and those who are doing now, AEs, those who are drawing nearly 1 lakh or 60,000, starting salary, you know that, 67,000 you are getting here. You believe not. No software engineering are getting this much, starting salary of this. That's why you should proud of our electrical engineering jobs which are coming under electricity board especially. And not only that, in power grid also, we are getting nearly 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs. Nearly 1 lakh we are getting. That's why once you are having a subject, definitely you will get it. Some of your students, some of your friends, they are asking that, sir, we may not have basics. Basics leave, sir, basics leave. Basics leave, but not a problem. We are providing basics. You just get the enrollment in our academy, definitely you will get it, whether it is online mode or offline mode. We are ready to provide each and everything, right? That's why if you are not having basics, not a problem, right? Not a problem. Definitely you will get job once you do the hard work. Hard work is very, very important. That's why మనం చేసే హార్డ్ వర్క్ మీదనే స్మార్ట్ వర్క్ మీదనే మన రిజల్ట్ అనేది డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు వచ్చామన్నది కాదన్నయ్య, జాబ్ వచ్చిందా రాలేదా. దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ యూ. దట్స్ వై యూ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ మోర్ అండ్ రియల్లీ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ ప్యాషనేట్ అబౌట్ దట్ టు క్రాక్ గుడ్ ర్యాంక్ ఇన్ కమింగ్ GENCO or TRANSCO or DISCOM'S, definitely you will have bright future with that. Once you follow whatever the guidelines we are going to provide, definitely you will get job here. Believe me, because I have the feedback from the previous. Nowadays, those ADs, AEs are there. Those are working in various centers in power sectors. They are working. I got the feedback from them. That's why getting the job for this one is not a difficulty job. It is not easy, but it is not difficult. You can get it, not a problem with that, right? Now let me consider that here, this is the power system wise. And one more subject which we can take it as here, what it is, power electronics here. This is very, very important. All are feeling that power electronics is a difficult. But once you see that, guys, really, believe me, once you come and sit in our class, definitely the power electronics will be very, very easier. Whatever the content you are providing that. With the content only you will get the concept here. You will get confidence here. ఆ కంటెంట్ చదివితే మీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. లైక్ దట్ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్. You don't think that power electronics is the difficult subject. Don't feel that. Simply I can say that power electronics means power is electrical, electronics is electronics and communication subject. You just usually power system or electrical devices, how they are? Big devices. Electronic devices are small devices. If you mingle that, we are making that powerful devices in a compact way. Nothing but what? In a small length or small size. Very simple example. Previously, our regulator, fan regulator is what? A big one. Nowadays, a small one. That is what? Power electronic device. Right? That's why you should learn like this. Whatever the power electronic devices are there, how they are working, how you are taking that. And in this one also we can classify into 4 types under power electronics. First one is very, very important here. Power semiconductor devices. What are the SCR? Right, MOSFET. These are all we are considering that power semiconductor devices. 25%. Some questions 100% you will get on that one. While coming to that, the second one is very important here. Rectifiers, you know that here AC to DC converter. How you are converting the AC to DC? This is very, very important. What type of rectifiers are there? AC to DC converters are there. What type of converters? How we are converting that? On this one, rectifier circuits, you will get 25% weightage is there, right? And while coming to that, the next one is the inverters and chopers. This is the conversion which we are considering from DC to AC here. All these are required while you are converting that a big device or a large device or a size is more. If you want to make that compact, definitely these operations are required. How you are taking the stages under this one while you are taking from input to output. While you're taking that power device to the power, that means what? Power electronic device, right? That's why the inverters and choppers, DC to AC converters, 30% weightage is there. And while coming to that AC to AC, nothing but AC voltage regulators, right? And drives also there here. Drives also 10% or 5% you are getting. Drives also sometimes you may give that 1 or 2 questions. Not a problem. That is very simple. Once you read that, if you listen the class, then definitely you will not forget that. You can get that whatever the question in the examination you are able to answer. You will get correct answer. Definitely you will take that correct answer according to that class practice. Classroom practice is more than enough for the drives, right? AC voltage regulators, AC to AC converter. This is about that here power electronic subject. And some of the what are the prerequisites required for this one? 4-year series analysis is required here for this one, because because network is operating with the various frequencies. You know that 4-year series, that is very much required for that one. That's why some mathematical fundamentals also very much required for this one. And as usual, what basics are required? Network basics are required, because without KVL, KCL, no electrical engineering. Without KVL, KCL, without Kirchhoff laws, there is no analysis, right? Now, while coming to that one, 3-phase circuits. In electrical circuits also, guys, 3-phase circuits anedi manam perfect ga undali, right? Once you are having very much confident on that, definitely you will have concept and that can be adopted, that can be used in this power electronic subjects. These are the topics which we can take it. And while coming to this power electronics, one book is more than enough here, because we have more books. On power electronics, because this is the advanced subject. That's why you may have more books, and topic wise books also you can take it. But as per the GENCO and TRANSCO syllabus, As per the GENCO, TRANSCO and DISCOM'S syllabus, you need not go for more books. One book is more than enough. That book is, I will give that 3 books, but out of that, the reference book I can give that Power Electronics by P.S. Bimra is very good book here. This one is very good book. This is more than enough for GENCO and TRANSCO. This book, out of all the 3, that one is more than enough. Right? Each and every concept you will get it. He was explained that how the waveforms are existing, how the waveforms are generating with the corresponding devices. Everything he was given that. You can easily understand that. Once with the ACE Engineering Academy material, and if you read that, both if you combine, definitely you can easily understand, as well as whatever the questions, exercise problems in this PS Bimra, definitely you can do it. Okay? Believe me. 100% you will get it here. 100% you will get it. Okay? And these you need not go for that. The fundamentals and power electronic devices are only for converters. For special topics, if you want to go for that, some of the special topics, you have to go for this one. Otherwise, you take this one here. You download this PDF and refer whatever the doubts you are having in that particular one. Only the particular topic. Because I suggest you, those who want to really get the job in GENCO, TRANSCO and public sector undertakings, you should go for that training. You take that coaching. Any type of institute here, not only that, in ACE Engineering Academy or other than that, or offline mode or online mode. Any time, take that one. Why? Because if you are perfectly, or if you take, or if you get the enrollment in this one, definitely you will get a proper direction. You will not waste the time. Right? Time killing process will not be occur once you enroll for any type of mode for GENCO and TRANSCO for upcoming notification. Right? You just go for that, because definitely you can utilize the time properly. Time management, definitely it will be executed. It will be executed. Okay? Now the next one is here, control system here. This is the one of the common topic for this one. This is the 5th one. These are the 5 subjects you should be concentrated. Today I would like to explain about these 5 subjects weightage. Right? And while taking that, the first one is the mathematical modeling. This one also we can take it 4 year. Control system weightage, we can take it in the percentage wise in 4 ways. That is the mathematical modeling, 20%, time domain analysis. This is very important here every time. Peak time, rise time, and under damping, over damping. All these are, you are getting this one, time domain analysis in this one. Under time domain analysis, stability of the system, Routh-Hurwitz criteria. Right? All you are getting this one, in this one. Right? 45%. More questions we can expect on this particular topic. Is it right? And while you are considering the stability analysis can be done in frequency domain, that is the root locus. Right? All Bode plot, stability analysis, frequency domain analysis can be done. That will be 30% weightage. And finally, one question we may expect on this state space analysis. That state space analysis. State space analysis in ESC, Engineering Service Examination, we have in electrical circuits also state space analysis is there. Right? That's why here state space analysis, sometimes you may provide one question, sometimes. But that is also very easy. Whatever the 5% weightage, all the subjects, just now I have given that out of the 5 subjects, one topic is 5%, 10% is there now. That topic you should not leave that. You should concentrate more, because compulsory question you are getting. 5% means what? Only one question you will get it. Right? Compulsory question you will get it. That's why don't leave this, and that whatever the topic I have given in the respective subjects as a 5% or 10%, to learn that concept, it is very easy, as well as once you learn that, you can easily remember till the end of the examination. You can easily remember that. That's why don't leave those type of topics which I have mentioned, that 5%. You may think that మీరు అనుకోవచ్చండి సార్ 5% కదా 10% కదా 1 మార్క్ కదా పోతే పోయింది అనుకోవచ్చు. Don't estimate like that. And don't underestimate that topic. Right? Because compulsory question, whenever compulsory question, it is a 5%, it will take so much less time. That's why once you complete, then you will have a confidence on that particular topic. Okay? That's why remember that whatever today all the subjects I have given less percentage, don't leave that. Right? You should complete that. Because it will take less time and you can also remember till the end of the examination. Right? Once you practice, one time practice is more than enough those type of topics. Okay? And for this one, the basics are very important here. Mathematics basics are very important. Guys, some of the students, as I experienced in the classroom, in ACE Engineering Academy, some polytechnic students, they are coming and they are expecting or they are struggling with that mathematics. That's why, especially for the polytechnic students, you should get some coaching. That is very, very important, because you may not have, you didn't learn the concepts with respect to the mathematics in the polytechnic, right? That's why here you should have complete this one for all the examinations, right? For all the examinations. That's why basics of Laplace transformation and inverse Laplace transformation and some basics in the circuits are required. Some KVL, KCL circuits, some minimum basics are required in the circuits here. But whatever the maximum is the mathematical analysis is Laplace transformation, transfer function. How you say the transfer function? Transfer function is nothing but what? It is the Laplace ratio of the Laplace transformation of the output by input. Right? That's why Laplace concepts are very important for you. Laplace transformation concepts are very important for you. Okay? And while coming to this one, these are the 5 subjects, I can say that here. These are the 5 subjects. And what are the reference books for this one? Those are also, we'll see that. And you know that these are the 3 reference textbooks, I can take it. Anyone you can consider here. Usually we are considering Rajan Nagarat and Gopal. And this one also you can take it. Topic wise you can go for that. And classroom practice is also more than enough for that one. Right? These are the good books which I can take it for control system. These are the 3 books we can take it for the control system. Is it right? And these are the 5 subjects are very important here. And apart from this, whatever we have taken that, your job is you need not search each and every concept in this one. That is our job. Right? We are having the experts in the particular subjects. Suppose my subject is electrical subject. Whatever the 3 textbooks are there, all the textbooks I have referred and I have finalized which content is required for a particular topic which is existing in the syllabus of GENCO and TRANSCO and DISCOM'S. I have prepared the material and we have prepared some previous examination questions also. And in ACE Engineering Academy, we have some publications. Now let me show that those publications which we are providing for examinations here, public sector undertakings which are GENCO, TRANSCO and DISCOM'S, we have some publications here. These are the measurements. I think you can get the measurements also. These are the measurements. These are under measurements also we can take it 4 year. One more subject here I have provided that. Basics of measuring instruments 40%, measurement of power and energy 20% and bridges 20%. This is not power system, it is measurements here. You can take it, electrical measurements. Right? And electronic measurements 20%. Right? And prerequisites means basics of DC and AC concepts. Basics of DC and AC concepts. Okay? In this one also, you will get 3 or 4 questions. Compulsory, sometimes 8 questions are given here in one examination. You can also see the statistics of whatever I have provided in AP as well as Telangana. And these are the reference books I can take it. For this one, I will suggest that this is more than enough here. You need not go for this. This is more than enough. A.K. Sahani. Very good book. Every content you will provide, you will get it in the textbook. Okay? And these are also books are there. And while coming to that, our publications, let me show that the publications which you are providing that ACE publications for GENCO, especially for GENCO and TRANSCO, we have provided that. GENCO and TRANSCO, we have provided that. See that? First one is, this is the book which we have given that for classroom practice. This is the book which we have given that for classroom practice questions. And while coming to that here, this is for SSCJE, because for SSCJE especially, we have taken that syllabus and we have provided that content, selected content in this one, and that is for GENCO and TRANSCO, PSUs, public sector undertakings. And apart from this, we have given that previous examination questions for GENCO and TRANSCO and DISCOM'S also. This contains nearly 10,000 questions are there, right? So many previous examination questions, 27 years previous questions are there, 27 years questions are there. You will get each and every question, right? Solution also, with solution we have provided. These are the publications which we are having under ACE Engineering Academy, These are the publications which we are having, ACE Engineering Academy. And what it is? These are the publications which we are having that. And while coming to that, guys, I would like to give a simple flow of electrical energy. Definitely, it contains each and everything, every device, every subject is existing in this one. For that one, I would like to give a simple scenario for that one. With that, I will conclude today's session. Now, let me consider that energy transfer from generating end to the utilization end. How the energy is generating. First of all, how the classes. Nowadays, guys, don't think that the classroom style is existing in ACE Engineering Academy just like the previous. Previous means what? In 2015, 2012, 2013, 14, 2010, not like that. We are providing that, the updated ones. Each and every there. We are using that smart boards also. We are providing that, each and everything. Let me explain that one by one. Suppose if you think that, right, the total generation to the utilization, how the power flow, generation to the utilization, how the power flow. Suppose the fan is running in our room. How it is running? We have provided some supply to the mains. Suppose this is the room here, this is the fan. Are you getting? This is the room and this is the fan. How the fan is running? By giving some supply. You can easily understand. The mode of the operation, how you are giving the here lectures, how you are giving the training, how you are giving the coaching, how the subject is delivering in the class. Smart boards, we are using that. Previously it was not there. You can easily understand the concept. That's why I have given that. In power electronic subjects, all are feeling very much difficult. But how the waveforms are coming, we are providing through this smart board. On the smart board, we are going to give that, how the waveforms, three-phase circuits, you are getting in the power electronic circuits or power electronic subjects. That's why you can easily understand here. There was a lot of difference between that, the previous teaching and nowadays teaching. You can easily understand that. That's why once you are learning the concept like that, definitely you will be benefited. That will be very much useful to get the job, to reach the destination, whatever the target you are having. If you want to reach the target, this type of mode of learning you should adopt it. Otherwise, you will not understand. Sometimes some of the students, we don't know the sir is telling something in the class. We are not getting anything. But if you adopt this type of teaching through smart board, definitely we are going to provide. Now let me consider that. Let us continue with this. Once you are giving the supply to the fan, then fan is running. How we are getting the supply here? From the transformer, from the main supply of this building. How the supply we are getting for the mains building? From the transformer of the outside of the building. Now how we are getting that one for transformer? From the transmission lines, not transmission lines here. Those are what? Sub-transmission lines or distribution lines. These are the, I think you might have seen that on the roadsides, right? Here, these are the sub-transmission lines or distribution lines, right? Sub-transmission lines. How we are getting the supply for the sub-transmission lines? From where? From substation. I think you have seen that every town, everywhere we have identified in Hyderabad. So many substations are there, region-wise, right? What are the substations? 33 by 11 kV substations, you identified that, right? Now, these are the distribution lines or sub-transmission lines which we are getting that from the substation. This is the substation, right? That substation is what? Where we are getting the supply for the substation? From the transmission lines, which are the high voltage lines, which you may identify in the outside of the city, outside of the town, outside of the village. High voltage line, right? These are the transmission lines, you can take it that. How we are getting for these transmission lines? From the generating stations. How the generation is there? So many generations are there here. Conventional, non-conventional. Majorly we are considering in our India or in our country here, thermal power, hydel power, and as per the resources, diesel also more. And so many non-conventionals are there, conventionals are there, solar power, everything is there. So many are there, tidal power. But once you take that, the major what we are considering that from tidal power or hydel power or thermal power, which we are generating like that. Now suppose if you take any one of that for example, anyone you can take it here, whether it is thermal power or hydel power. Hydel power means what? How the generation related with the hydel power? Hydel power means what? Based on the water head available in the generating station. Water head available in the generating station. If more water head, more generation. Less water head, less generation. Right? Suppose if you take that, this is the generating station. Water is falling on the turbine. Turbine is coupled with that alternator. See this one. Whatever you have taken that, water is falling on the turbine. Turbine is running, which is coupled with that alternator. Nothing but what type of energy is available? Rotation. Rotation means what? Twisting moment. Twisting moment means what? What is the electrical terminology? Technical terminology, torque. Torque is available. Mechanical energy is available. Then that will be converted into electrical energy. This is nothing but. With this, once you see that here, whatever you have taken that, the conversion, available energy is what? Mechanical energy. Nothing but rotation. What it is? Rotation is available. That we are converting to that. That we are making that. That we are making that. Finally, we are getting that. Finally, how we are utilizing? Rotation only. That means what? Fan is running. Here also mechanical. We are utilizing the mechanical and we are getting the mechanical. From the mechanical, we are using the mechanical. Nothing but what? Energy neither created nor destroyed. We will consider that here. What you can take it? Finally, the observation from this one I can take it. Energy neither created nor destroyed. Energy neither created nor destroyed. This is the simple scenario. Suppose if those who are beginner, if you see that, then definitely each and every, the entire scenario, if you see that, guys, see this one, the entire scenario, each and everything is related with one subject. In this, power system is there. In this, power electronics is there. In this, machines is there. In this, control system is there. In this, electrical circuit is there. In this, measurements is there. Right? Everything is there. Electrical engineering, entire is revolving. Entire thing is existing in this one. The entire scenario. This is the way how we are providing the lectures. Definitely, you will enjoy that whatever the concept we are going to provide that. Don't think that previous teaching, now teaching, both are same. Entirely different. We have made that everything is student learning procedure is very easy. Student learning procedure very easy. You can use that each and everything and you can answer that. You can understand in easy way. For that we are providing in that mode. We are providing in that mode. And once you see that here, this is the total scenario energy transfer from generating end to the utilization end. Suppose if you consider that this is the another way which we can take it there, power plant from the generation side. Here step up transformer, this is the transformer machines here, and high voltage transmission line, step down transformer, and 13 kV, nothing but what sub transmission line, step down transformer, and residential. Whatever you know that the electrical power will be distributed from the substation to the residential side as well as here industrial side. Nothing but power is divided based on the requirement of the customer or requirement of the client or requirement of the customer. We can divide it into industrial side as well as domestic side, right? This is the way how we can take it here. The total energy transfer from the generating end to the utilization and generating end to the utilization end. Is it right? With this, I will conclude my session, right? And remember, guys, I am going to give that one more session. I am going to take that one more session in the next week for how to prepare 45 days, how to complete the entire syllabus for 45 days, how to complete the syllabus in 45 days, day wise, day 1, day 2, day 3, which subject you have to be considered, because all are not having, you may not take the coaching. For them, we are providing that. If you follow whatever the schedule we are going to provide, whatever the schedule we are going to be provided to you, if you follow, definitely you will complete the entire syllabus within that time. It will be very much useful when the notification will come. That schedule is very much useful for you, right? That I am going to prepare by consulting various faculties in our academy. Definitely, that will be very much useful. Don't miss that session in the next Sunday with the same timing. I will provide that first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, how you have to prepare for coming, upcoming notification for GENCO and TRANSCO and DISCOM'S, right? Don't miss that video, and we are always with you for any type of clarification. You can contact us, we can contact us, right, for any clarification. And my dear students, my dear children, whatever that here mode of operation you are enrolling that, first enroll, get the concept. Those who are already having the concept, you just practice more, then definitely you will get the perfection with that. Any doubts you are having, you can ask. We have 5 minutes time. Please. Right, 8:22. Actually, 7 to 8 only the time. Some of the students, they want to ask that. Offline or recording session. Fees announce cheyandi. Okay. You can contact here. You please go through the website. That is not the good environment if I give that here. This is I have provided for beneficiary of each and every students, those who are really passionate to get the job in electricity board or GENCO and TRANSCO or various DISCOM'S. That's why if you want to get it, you can contact our website. Each and everything is existing. Okay. What will be the? Yeah, definitely you will get here. Not a problem. You will have award. Definitely you will get the award here. No doubt in that. Okay. Now time is already 20 minutes more. That's why today I am concluding with this. Okay. I hope that all the students, all the aspirants, they are enjoyed with my lecture, and with this we will continue in the next week with the 45 days preparation, how to complete that entire syllabus in electrical engineering, especially for GENCO and TRANSCO and DISCOM'S for upcoming notification of 2 Telugu states, AP and Telangana. Okay, thank you.